Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download, open, and use the sticker set that comes with your planner. Whether you prefer using the Goodnotes sticker book or the individual PNG stickers. I've already made a detailed tutorial on how to download, import, and start using your planner in Goodnotes. So if you're looking for guidance on that, I recommend watching that tutorial first. Let's get started with the first step, locating the download file received after you purchase. This file contains everything you need, including links to your planners, the sticker set, the cover set, and the shortcuts needed to integrate your planner with Apple Calendar and reminders. Now it's best to open this PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. Acrobat is completely free, and if you don't have it installed on your iPad, you can easily download it from the App Store. Via Adobe Acrobat, it's one of the most reliable apps for viewing PDFs, and it ensures that all the links inside the file work properly. I'm mentioning this because I've received reports from some customers who had trouble opening the links when they use their default PDF viewer. So to avoid any issues, I highly recommend opening the file with Adobe Acrobat. And if you don't have it installed, just head to the App Store and download it. It's quick and free. To open the file in Adobe Acrobat, simply tap and hold on the file, then select Share. From the list of apps, find and select Acrobat. Once the file opens, you'll see it has two pages. The first page has all your main download links from Google Drive, and if you ever run into issues with those, the second page has alternative links you can try instead. To access the sticker set, click on this link and select Open. This will direct you to a Google Drive folder. Inside the folder, you'll find two different sticker sets. The Goodnotes sticker book, which is a .goodnotes file, and a zip file which contains all the individual PNG stickers. Download both files from Google Drive, tap More, then Save to Files. Once they're downloaded, click Done and go to your Files app to access the downloaded files. Unzip the file by clicking it, tap on the folder, and you'll see there are 5 organized folders inside, each containing a different category of stickers: artwork, icons, sticky notes, widgets, and boards. Everything is organized into these folders, making it easy to find and use exactly what you need. Now let's move on to opening this Goodnotes sticker book. This step is for those of you using the paid version of Goodnotes, since the file goes over the size limit for the free version. Let's go ahead and open the sticker book in Goodnotes. The process is very similar to how you open your planner in Goodnotes. First, tap and hold on the Goodnotes sticker book file, then select Share and choose Goodnotes from the list of apps. If you have an open document in Goodnotes, a prompt will appear asking you to choose between Import to Current Document or Import as New Document. Select Import as New Document. This ensures that your sticker book will be added separately and not merged with your open document. Now, if you have multiple folders in Goodnotes like I do, you'll be asked to select which folder you want to save the sticker book in. If you don't have any folders yet and you want to create one, here's how. Tap on the folder icon you see here, then tap New Folder. Give your folder name. I named mine Stick and Style. You can also customize the folder by choosing a color and an icon. For example, I'm choosing pink for the color and this icon for stickers. Once you've customized your folder, click Done. You'll now see your new folder called Stick and Style. Simply select this folder and the sticker book will be imported directly into it. Goodnotes will immediately open the file and you'll be able to see the sticker book pages inside. You can now use the side tabs to quickly switch between sections: artwork, icons, widgets, words, and sticky notes. Everything sorted in a simple way, so it's really easy to find the stickers you want and drag them into your planner. Next up, let's see how to use your stickers inside your planner in Goodnotes. First, open your planner in Goodnotes by going to Documents in the Goodnotes app and selecting your planner. For this example, I'll open the Black Guild Planner Sunday Start Now, let's say I want to add some stickers to my daily page for June 22. I switch to the sticker book tab, go to the artwork section or any other category where I want to pick my sticker. Find the sticker I want to use. For example, I'll choose this one. Tap and hold the sticker, then select copy. Now switch back to the planner tab. Tap and hold on the page, then select paste. The sticker will appear on my planner page. From here, I can resize it, move it around, and place it wherever I want on my daily page. I can also use the lasso tool to select the sticker. I activate it from up here. Circle the sticker, tap on it, and then choose copy. Then, just like before, I go to the planner tab and paste it. Now, if I want to use icons or other stickers, I first make sure I'm in navigation mode so the hyperlinks work properly. Then I go to the icons tab, switch to edit mode, and use the lasso tool. I circle the sticker I want, tap and choose copy. Next, I go back to the planner's daily page, tap and hold, and select paste. Just like before, I can resize and place the icon wherever I want on the page. You can repeat this process with any of the stickers, icons, or widgets you want to use. To open a split view on your iPad, tap the three dots at the top center of the Goodnotes screen. Then tap split view. Your screen will shift, and from there you can open Goodnotes again by swiping up slightly to reveal the dock, or by simply going to your home screen. Just tap the Goodnotes icon to open it in the other half of the screen. In the new window, open your sticker book. And now both the planner and the sticker book are side by side. You can simply drag and drop stickers into your planner. Easy and quick. No need to switch tabs. Next, I'll show you how to use the PNG stickers. Although this planner can be opened and used in the free version of Goodnotes, the sticker book file is too large and only works with the paid version. Also, some of you might be using Android devices or other annotation apps like Notability, Noteshelf, Sodo, and many others. In these cases, you should use the PNG sticker files instead. No matter which app you're using, the PNGs are super easy to work with and give you the same flexibility to decorate and personalize your planner. To use the PNG stickers, just open your planner in your preferred annotation app. Then use a split view, but this time, instead of opening Goodnotes, open the Files app and navigate to the folder where you saved the PNG files. Inside, you'll see that everything is organized into separate folders, just like in the sticker book. Choose the category you want. For example, if you're looking for artwork stickers, open the artwork folder. Tap and hold the sticker you want. Then drag it over to your planner page and drop it in. Once it's there, you can resize, move, and replace it wherever you like, just like I showed you earlier. You can also copy and paste the stickers if you prefer not to use a split view. This method works perfectly whether you're using the free version of Goodnotes or any other annotation app. And that's it. Now you know how to download and use your sticker set. Everything is designed to be simple, flexible, and accessible for everyone. Wishing you a beautifully organized day, and I hope your stickers bring a little extra joy to your planning.